In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on TradingView and the Dhan platform. Whether you're trying to reduce eye strain during late-night trading sessions or simply prefer a sleeker aesthetic, ensuring that your trading platforms are in dark mode can make a world of difference. Let's dive right into the process and walk through each platform step by step so you can get set up in no time. Starting on the TradingView platform, the first thing you'll want to do is find the menu. Now, this could be depicted by a menu button or your profile icon, and it will be located on either the website or the app version of TradingView. Once you've located the menu, look for the dark theme toggle switch. It's usually quite visible. With a simple tap, you can switch the interface from light to dark. This not only updates the main look and feel of the platform, but also ensures every detail aligns with your preference. Next, let's move on to the Dhan platform. Whether you're using the app or the website, the process is pretty similar. Head over to your profile. This is likely represented by your profile icon or your name. Once you're there, locate the color mode setting within your profile options. By selecting the dark theme, you'll transform the entire appearance of the platform, making it much easier on the eyes, especially if you're a frequent trader spending long hours on the site. For those using Dhan's integration with TradingView charts, it's great to know that enabling the dark theme on the platform automatically applies it to your charts. However, if you're looking to further refine and customize elements like the chart's background or grid lines, here's how you can do it. Click on the gear icon near the top right of your chart to access the chart settings. Now, navigate to the Background tab. Here, you have the flexibility to select your preferred background color. You can switch from a gradient to a solid black or adjust the opacity of grid lines for a more profound dark chart. This customization can really help in reducing glare and making your chart visually comfortable. While specific dark mode shortcuts aren't available on Dhan's TradingView integration, I want to share a couple of handy shortcuts you might find useful. If you ever need to maximize or return to a single chart in a multi-chart layout, just press Alt plus Enter. To switch between charts in the same layout, you can simply hit the Tab key. Incorporating these shortcuts into your routine can make navigating your trading workspace much smoother. And there you have it. Easy steps to enabling dark mode and customizing your experience on TradingView and Dhan. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.